Hey everybody! Welcome to my video review about the TEDS Woodworking program. My name is V, and today I'm here to quickly tell you all the main information about this program, what it is, what it does, and if it really works. I'll also share some very important warnings and alerts that you need to know before making your purchase, so stay tuned until the end. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that I've left the link to the official website in the description below. If you decide to check it out, just click the link, and you'll be taken directly to their official website where you'll find all the complete information about this program. But trust me, stick with me until the end, as the warnings I'll share are really important and only available here in this video. So let's talk about the TEDS Woodworking program. This is a comprehensive online resource designed for woodworking enthusiasts of all skill levels. It offers a massive collection of woodworking plans and projects that guide you through creating various woodcrafts. Here's what's included. The program features over 16,000 woodworking plans. These plans cover a wide range of projects, including furniture, outdoor structures, and decorative items. You'll also get detailed instructions, video tutorials, and even bonus materials. Some of these bonuses include woodworking tips, techniques, and guides for setting up your own woodworking shop. When you purchase the TEDS Woodworking program, you gain lifetime access to all the plans and materials. This means you'll always have this incredible resource at your fingertips. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced woodworker, this program is designed to be user-friendly, educational, and highly comprehensive. With its extensive library of over 16,000 plans, it's one of the most complete woodworking resources available today. The detailed instructions and video tutorials make it easy to follow, while the lifetime access ensures you can always come back for more inspiration. It's truly a valuable resource for anyone passionate about woodworking. Now, here's an important alert for you. You can only purchase TEDS Woodworking on the official website. It's not available on any other website, so please be cautious and avoid buying from unauthorized sellers. To make things easy for you, I've included the official website link in the description below this video. That's the only place where you can purchase the original program, so keep that in mind. In conclusion, TEDS Woodworking is 100% worth it. It's one of the best woodworking resources you can find in the market today. If you're serious about taking your woodworking projects to the next level, this is the program for you. The link to purchase it is just below, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating amazing projects with TEDS Woodworking. See you next time.